Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by what place is divisible by 4? Now, by divisibility test, of 4, if the number formed by the last 2 digits in the number is divisible by 4, the original number, then is divisible by 4. As we know that in any number, it starts with units place, then tens place, then hundreds place. So the last 2 digits place will be units place and tens place. Hence, the number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the digits at the units and tens place is divisible by 4.